Hello, this is the project demo from Group 12. Our project is the body area network. Our targeted users are patients suffering from mental diseases like PTSD or depression. Those patients are more likely to experience mood swings due to stimulus from surrounding environments. Real-time alert and historical record of their pathological mental breakdown is helpful for them in daily life and for future therapy. So this is the major purpose of our project, tracking major emotional up and downs. There are multiple ways of detecting emotional changes. The two factors we're using here are GSR and bodily temperature. GSR can detect changes in electrical activity resulting from changes in sweat gland activity, which can reflect the intensity of our emotional state. And most patients will also experience a lowering of bodily temperature during their mental breakdown. So here we're using the finger temperature as our second factor. These are the hardwares we're employing, and we use a ESP32 board together with infrared temperature sensor and the GSR sensor to detect abnormal values from the body features. And for actuators, we're using a buzzer and app to alert the users. So this is the architecture of our project. First, every user has variable devices that's composed of the board and the sensors. And once abnormal values are detected, the data will be sent to our cloud servers over MQTT protocol. And then server can use Google AppCM to push message to Android app, so the app knows it should start fetching data from the server for display. And the app also alerts the user about the potential mental breakdown. The user can choose to call his emergency contact via the app. In case the user misses the alert from the app, we also implemented the buzzer, which will also alert the user at the same time as the app. So that's the rough idea of our project. This is the live demo of our wearable devices and Android app. Non-wearing the device and everything is stable. You can hear the buzzer ringing, so no abnormal value has been detected. To demonstrate the project, we set the benchmarks really low, so minor emotional changes would also trigger the alerting process. Theoretically speaking, the GSR sensor values should be considered below the benchmark now. But the temperature sensor value is still good, so the alerting process has not been triggered yet. Instead, we can use the room temperature. Hopefully that will start the alerting process. Oh, here, we can hear the buzzer is beeping now. So let's check our Android app. Here first you have to log in. Yes, we can see the values of the sensors here, and also the red button is flashing. That's alerting you to call your emergency contact if you want to. And also we're receiving an alert here as well. And here is the quick call to your previously saved emergency contact. Basically, that's it. Here we're showing our Bluetooth feature. First, we need to pair our device with our smartphone. Once successfully paired, we can see the 3 unknown characteristics. Basically, stands for 3 of our sensors data. Upon pairing, all those values should be empty because no abnormal data has been detected by our sensors. And now I'm gonna make the abnormal value appear. Okay, we can hear this, the buzzer beeping, which means abnormal value has been detected. Now we refresh these characteristics. We should be able to see the values from the sensors. So this feature basically uses the Bluetooth Low Energy Protocol, which proves our board has the ability to communicate with a smartphone with Bluetooth protocols and